Welcome to Math Mojo. Today we're going to be talking about fractions, more specifically dividing fractions by whole numbers. So step 1 is keep the numerator the same, and then for our first example we have 5/8 divided by 2. So we have to keep our numerator the same, so we can just write it out as 5 in our numerator. And then moving on, our step 2 is multiply the denominator by the whole number. So this is our denominator, 8, and then our whole number is 2. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16, and that would be our denominator. And that is our final answer, and this is the fraction in its simplest form. Now, here are some practice questions, so pause the video and try these examples on your own. Okay, so looking at number 1, we have 10/11 divided by 5. So what we have to do is we keep our numerator the same, so we put our 10 here, and then we do 5 multiplied by 11, which gives us 55. And now this fraction can be reduced, so we can divide by 5 over here, divide by 5 over here, and then we get 2, and then we get 11. So our final answer is 2/11, and this is the fraction in its simplest form. Now moving on to question number 2, we have 2/3 divided by 6. So we keep our numerator the same, which is 2, and then we do 6 multiplied by 3, which is 18. Now we can also reduce this fraction by dividing by 2. So we can divide by 2 in the numerator and divide by 2 in the denominator, and that will give us 1/9. And that is our fraction in its simplest form. Okay, now we have a practice problem that is a word problem. So you had 5/6 of a chocolate bar left and 3 of your friends wanted to try some. How much will each friend get? So we have to set up our word problem. So we take this number right over here, our 5/6, and our 3 over here. So we would do 5/6 divided by 3. And then we do the same thing that we did before. We keep our numerator the same, and then we multiply our whole number in the denominator. So 3 multiplied by 6, which gives us 18, and this fraction cannot be reduced any further, so this is it in its simplest form. So our final answer is 5/18. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and click here for the next video, and we'll see you next time.